Do you feel like your mind is always racing? Is stress and anxiety taking over your daily life? Maybe it's time to slow down and reconnect with yourself. In Yoga for Beginners, a guide to mindful practice, you'll discover how yoga can transform your life, bringing more balance, flexibility, and inner peace, no prior experience needed. Forget the idea that yoga is only for the flexible or the spiritual. Yoga for Beginners, a guide to mindful practice, walks you through the fundamentals, guiding you step by step through essential poses, breathing techniques, and mindfulness practices to help you build a consistent and enjoyable routine. Beyond the physical benefits, yoga strengthens your mind, improves your breathing, and teaches you to live in the present moment. Everything you need to begin is inside Yoga for Beginners, a guide to mindful practice. Ready to start your journey? The link is in the description. The balance you seek is closer than you think. Take the first step with Yoga for Beginners, a guide to mindful practice.